Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and become part of the family. So today on the menu we have fried yam. This is some crispy fried yam with a special twist. Let's get cooking. So we are going to start by peeling our yam. So for this recipe I am using Ghana pona yam. So you can get pona yam from pretty much any African shop or an Asian shop where they sell like Ghana food stuff. So that's the kind of yam I have today. We are going to start by peeling the yam. Normally whenever I finish peeling yam, I like to scrape up the back. I don't know why I do that, but I think I do that because I like to keep the back quite nice and smooth. So that's why I do. So I'm going to cut this into some nice small pieces. This is the exact size I like to have my fried yam. So I'm going to cut the rest of the yam into similar sizes. Usually with fried yam, it's a very simple, easy recipe. Normally what you do is after cutting into pieces, you will soak it in like salty water, let it sit for a bit, and then basically start frying. However, for this recipe, there is a little twist, a very fabulous twist. Basically, what we're going to do is that as soon as I am done cutting, the yam into pieces, I'm going to wash it and place them in a cooking pot and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm not going to let it cook any more than that. So now that the yam is finished peeling, I'm just going to place it in this pot, add water, and do not forget to add your salt. The salt is, is a personal preference. So you just add however much you think is good for you. So you will add the salt, let it cook for just, like under 4 minutes. As soon as it comes to a boil, take it out of the stove, drain the water, let it sit for a bit, and it's ready to fry. Please do not let it cook for more than 4 minutes. As soon as it bubbles up, that's it, is ready to come off the fire. So now my yam has been sitting for a bit, so I'm going to start frying. Make sure your oil is preheated so that it doesn't soak up, like the yam doesn't soak up the oil. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I'm going to start frying. The frying time is dependent on how hot your oil is. So for me, I fry this for about 7 minutes, or I think just under 10 minutes, because I wanted it nice and crispy. You do not want it to be over crispy, to be honest, because what's going to happen is it's going to get too hot and it probably might even burn. So just keep checking to make sure the crispiness is to your liking. So at this point it's ready and good to come out of the oil. So I'll let it sit for a while because eating hot yam is a no-no for me. I don't want to burn my mouth. So there you have it. My yam is ready. It is that simple. It doesn't even take up to for 30 minutes. It is that simple. So I'm going to be enjoying this with my bakosheto and my original pepper salt, the shito that I showed you the other day. If you haven't seen that video, please check my other videos for it. So thank you so much for coming back, and I hope I inspired you to cook. Thank you.